My name is Dr. Pokemon. Today I shall once again explain the ecology of Pokémon. This time, we'll be looking at Squirtle. Aren't its big round eyes adorable? It's one of my favorite Pokémon. Squirtle is a turtle Pokémon with a shell on its back. It loves bodies of water and is quite the little troublemaker. It has a big appetite too, happily munching on berries or just about anything it finds. It's also often seen swimming in groups, showing that it has a lonely side and doesn't like being alone. Life in the ocean can be tough, but as it survives and grows stronger, it evolves into Wartortla, and when it continues to grow and eventually becomes the leader of its group, it evolves into BLASTOISE, that one is overflowing with a sense of justice, always protecting its companions. From morning until evening it keeps watch. And if danger appears, it rushes to help instantly. It's truly a responsible fellow. Its water-based attacks are all incredibly powerful, especially Hydro Pump, a flashy move that launches massive bursts of water. It is extremely strong against fire-type Pokémon like Charizard, and even powerful fire attacks like Fire Blast barely effective. Its battles to protect its allies continue late into the night, as it never knows when to stop. If you ever come across a Squirtle, be sure to catch it. Well then, until we meet again, no, wait, Mag im Aja Magic Art.